Okay, here's a cold start, old start for the ages. It's a 1989 Peterbilt, Freightliner. It's been sitting here for a couple months. It's got a 425 turbo cat, and she's for sale. Ignition is a bit of a pain in the ass here. There we go. We got the blazer on it, boosting it, so hopefully this will start. Clutch in neutral. I don't see a choke. Never started one before. Oh, she ain't gonna go. Okay, we'll let her charge up a bit more, and we'll try this again. It's got 2.5 million kilometers on it. She's for sale. She's listed at $3,500. Our best offer, 3,000 cash takes it. It's got brand new rear end in it. That cost almost $5,000. They're 46,000 pound rear ends. It's got a super single bunk in it. So send me a message if you want to pick it up. It's in Flamborough, Ontario on Highway 5.